What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little I changed my mind on what I was doing. Yep, I sure did, because today we're taking my braids out. So instead of doing a refresher, I'm taking these things out of my hair. I'll probably leave twisting for the last week of this month, so I can have my actual 4 months of in a protective style, which will make these twists pretty much 4 months old when I take them out, because I put them in December, the beginning of December. So we're gonna go ahead and take these bad boys down. Oh, I gotta mention, this hair, I would say this brand right here is a good brand of hair, y'all. Because the whole time I've had these braids in my head, I had no problem with itching. I did not do all that soaking and stuff like a lot of people do. Did not do that, because this says it has itch-free antibacterial in it, which it says it right up in here, if y'all can see it. And this hair, I will say I really support this. They need to sponsor me, send me some hair. What is it? Spectra, I think that's what it's called. Y'all need to sponsor a girl, cause I will use y'all hair all the time. Cause my beauty supply store only carries like 3 colors, which is the red, the the blonde, the one I think is 1B30, and black, and that's it. So I would say y'all get this hair, the great brand. Let y'all see that brand. It's pre-scratched and everything. So basically all I did was just put it in my hair. No soaking it or anything. And I had absolutely no itching. It's not even really tangled at all. And these have been in my head for 3 months. So yeah, I say this is a very good brand of hair, and the only hair that has poked out of these has been my hair, not the fake hair. So I definitely say, if you find this, get this. And you only need 1 pack, because I didn't even make it through a full pack to do my braids. So definitely, and I think this is $10 for this pack. So definitely y'all should try this brand of hair when you do braids and protective style. Alright, so on to taking these bad boys out. And the reason I'm taking them out, because y'all can see I have so much new growth. It's ridiculous. Well, it's not a lot, but y'all, it's time for them to go. I don't even know if y'all can really see it without the light. Let's turn this bad boy on. Ooh, bright light. But I have, well, this side, I actually redid part of this side, so that's why it ain't much. But on this side, it's quite a bit. I did actually stick 2 fingers in between the braid and the hair, my scalp, so it's time for them to go. So basically, y'all see I've done half of my head already. I'll probably only do one side for y'all and come back when they're all out. And y'all see my hair is fairly long, So I only cut close to the top of the red. I do not cut all the way to the start of the red because my hair, I remember when I braided my hair that my hair was going into the red. You see, this is not real short. I can show you my hair compared to one of these with the red still in it. See? So if I was to cut this where the red starts, I would be cutting my hair. And I can actually see my hair sticking out on this one down here. So definitely would not be cutting that far up. And I think that's some of my hair right there. So it is into the red. So I've been cutting well below where it's unraveled. So that's basically where I've been cutting at. And I've been doing a few braids at a time when cutting. So you can already see a couple of them already cut in here. But let's go ahead and get started. I'll do a few on camera and then the rest I will take a loose off camera. Had to grab my scissors. I ain't even make all that noise though. But cutting right about here. I can see my hair up in here, so cutting right about. So look how that was my real hair. There it is right there. One down, a million more to go. It's fairly long, y'all. Alright guys, so they're all out and I don't believe my hair locked up at all because you can see a lot of them unraveled. So, and I've picked on a few of them just to see, and they definitely have not locked. I do have some gunk on some of them, but this is where I'm going to stop at for this video. The next video y'all get to see me do the curl former stuff, so stay tuned for that. I mean curl former, curl box, the stuff I received in the curl box. y'all will get to see me. Well, y'all get my true reviews on that, and I also get to do my wig review, and you know the straightening iron is coming soon also. So y'all got a few things to look forward to very soon. So the first thing you probably hear about is me doing the review on the items I got in my curl box. So this stuff, which y'all probably still can't see, but the my black is beautiful stuff, I will be doing that review next. So stay tuned to next Tuesday. Bye y'all. See you in the next video. Anyways, y'all, see ya. Mm-hmm.